In 2003 I got diagnosed with MS. Funny things happened where I lost feeling in my right leg and my toe curled up, and I started to forget things, become really forgetful. I soon found out that I had to stay in air conditioning and keep cool, and that's where the journey further along I found Green Energy Technologies, which is awesome. I found out through heaps of reviews that I looked at, so many 5-star reviews that Green Energy Technologies had, and their customer reputation was impeccable. They're like a well-oiled machine. It was like they'd done it 100 times before and they've done it perfectly. As I said, from the first greeting with a handshake, the welcoming feeling, hey John, would you like to come down here? We'll show you this is what this does, this is what that's going to do, this is what you need to do, this is how the app works. Just not only that, but also when they explained about the system, I've got a 10 kilowatt system and 9.6 kilowatt battery backup, which is needed for the EMS for power failures, and that security of from a medical condition. As I said, it's like a lung machine. I have to have it, there's no choice. Having that need that it just can't break down, and just when you wrap everything together with the product, what you get, what you pay for, you get, and having that reliability just caused me to make the decision, enabled me to make the decision that the most perfect choice was Green Energy Technologies by far. There's not even a comparison.